Welcome to the channel. My name is Sean. If you're new, I do adventure videos, speaker videos, other random videos of my roommates, so if you enjoy what you see, please subscribe. So a while ago I installed a new exhaust on my Jeep. I also did an air intake. So let's do a little sound test on the exhaust and the intake and see how it sounds. And yeah, so I installed the Flowmaster Flow FX exhaust, and I'll do a couple drive-bys, but first let's do a start. It's not going to be a cold start, but I'll start it up and I'll do a few revs, and then we'll do some drive-bys. So let me know in the comments what you think about that sound. I think it sounds pretty good. It is droney inside though. When you're on the highway, it's just like pretty bad. But you get used to it, and you can wear headphones. But it's pretty fun to drive, and it's like poppy, you know, like it crackles whenever you let off the accelerator. It's like boom, 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 boom. So it sounds pretty cool, but it is pretty loud. I don't know if it came through correctly on the camera, but it's pretty loud. It might annoy your neighbors. Overall, the sound is pretty good. If I were to do it again, I would either spend a little bit more money, get a better quality exhaust that has proper like connections. The one that I had, I made a video on fixing the slip joint leak because it leaked, and it still leaks a little bit. But before we do some drive-bys, let's listen to the intake as well. So this is the aFe power intake. This was actually, I think, more expensive than the exhaust, but I got it just to add a little bit more sound. I had an aftermarket intake on it before, but it was a real cheap one. This one's really cool. You can take out this to get more sound, so I'm going to do that for the video. And then you have an open thing there. So I'm going to start it up and show you how it sounds. So hopefully that gave you a better idea of how it sounds since installing the intake and exhaust. You can check out those videos in the description, or I'll leave a link up here, and check them out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.